Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, sorry, hair in the eyeballs, bangs desperately need a trim. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hang out, let's be friends, let's do all the things, and let's go ahead and get started on today's video. Okay, so first order of business, I look like a drowned rat. I do. Hear that? That's my basement sump pump going off because it has done nothing but rain like the last day or two, and it ain't slowing down. So I took the day off work, which, trust me, I will pay heavily for. But yeah, so I just had some running around and stuff to do, helped my mom run some errands, and here we are. I am soaked because it is raining like crazy. I tried to kind of like blow dry my bangs, but like, it is what it is. But anyway, so if you join into my live that I filmed yesterday, which I think was November 3rd, I was talking about TJ Maxx and how you can find some really good makeup deals there. Because let's be honest, I just realized I'm totally off center. I know my husband says he can fix it, so we'll see. But anyway, the price of everything keeps going up. I know we have been greatly affected by it. So I have found myself turning to places like TJ Maxx, Marshall's. By the way, Marshall's has awesome skincare and hair care. Check them out. Don't pay full price for stuff. Go to Marshall's first. I've been using some of the Lucetta products. They're like 50% cheaper at like Marshall's, and I think I've noticed they've had some at TJ Maxx as well, so check those out. Just trying to, little tip. But also at TJ Maxx, Pat McGrath, what? This was $20. If you can see the little sticker, $19.99 right there. But yeah, you guys, I don't know if... Now I'm like, am I out of focus? I don't know, but this was the Bijoux Brilliance Jeweled Temptation Blush and Eyeshadow Palette. I believe is what it's called. Made in Italy. Okay. So, this is what we're going to use today. Am I in focus? Is this focusing? Does that look focused? I think it does. But yeah, so this is what we're going to use today. I purposely did not put on blush. I did my base, but I don't have blush on. So, because in this palette, there are two blushes. I realized I just showed you the palette, but I forgot to point that out. So yeah, these, blush, and blush. So, let's do a little look, and let's see how this performs. I feel like $20 for this is a huge bargain. And TJ Maxx is hit or miss, so you might have to maybe go to a couple before you find which one has all the good stuff. For a while they weren't really getting any name brand stuff in, but it looks like that has been fixed because Pat McGrath. So I think I want to use this blush down here. Oh, and I mentioned it's storming here. So very pretty, you guys. Very pretty. You can probably hear the rain as well. Alright, very, so pretty. And I've just been sweating because of course it had to get hot. I don't think we've been out of the 60s temperature wise here yet, and it is almost November. I'm just kind of gonna tap that out a little bit. Or no, it's not almost November. It's November 4th, November 4th. Yeah, I just think global warming has done us in. Alright, so I'm just gonna do something simple, you know. Let's start with this. This is very awkward to hold up, by the way. I'm gonna start with this shade right here. Sorry, you guys. I've had a couple like smaller, it was like the Bridgerton collection palettes, Pat McGrath I picked up at TJ Maxx. Those weren't the greatest, but I've swatched this palette, and I think just for time's sake, because I'm just kind of tired and it's getting later in the day and I have to go back to work tomorrow and it's going to be hellfire that I'm going to have to deal with. So I just want to do the same look. Just, you know, keep it simple. But anyway, I have swatched this and everything is swatched really, really well. Now, granted, that doesn't mean it's going to perform well on the eyes, but usually if you get even like a decent swatch, you're good. So that's what I'm hoping for. All right, you guys. Just gonna put like whatever's left just under the lower lash line. Again, we're just gonna do something really, really, really simple today. I'm just exhausted. It's been a long weekend. If you joined me in my live yesterday, thank you so much. We have so much fun when we do it, and I just hope if you guys want to tune in, I do it 3 p.m. Central Time. Okay, I'm just gonna deepen the crease a little bit with this shade right here. But yeah, we just talk about makeup, whatever, and people seem to be really enjoying it, and I am as well. I just think it's nice to just be able to connect with other people, you know, like no pressure or anything, but just come hang out. We all love makeup, most of us. We get some people in there that are just obviously just out to start stuff and cause trouble, but we remove them. And yeah, it's just something that is just fun to do. All right, so I'm gonna put some glitter glue down. I really wish this palette had a highlighter. That would complete this. That'd be awesome. I can feel hair sticking to my face. I'm not sure if it's hair from the brush or my hair. All right, you guys. I want to go in with this. This is just the most awkward palette to hold. This shade right here. It's a shimmer. I'm gonna lay that down. Very, very pretty, you guys. I just realized I was gonna put something on my lips and I did not. So I'm probably gonna do that. All right. Yeah, you guys, this is just really simple, but really, really beautiful. And I think I'm just gonna leave it at this, because it's really pretty. That shimmer's gorgeous. The mattes blended beautifully. Love the blush. Wish my hair looked a little better, but like I said, it's raining. I had stuff to do. I don't have time to pull out an umbrella and all that nonsense, so I'm gonna go do my mascara and I'll be right back. All right, so I am back. Let's just disregard the fact that my bangs are absolutely crazy. Let's do a final look. Like, I'm kind of like, sweaty anyway, so I'm not even going to add highlight or anything. This is just a very simple look. So shimmer is absolutely beautiful. And again, I did swatch this on my live that I filmed yesterday, which was November 3rd. So if you guys want to see swatches, check that out. And again, I found this. It's Pat McGrath Labs. Oh, it's the Mothership Bijoux Brilliance Jeweled Temptation Blush and Eyeshadow Palette. What a name. But it's beautiful. I absolutely love the way that this performed. Here's a look at those shades. Again, you get 2 blushes and 9 eyeshadows. Absolutely, absolutely beautiful. TJ Maxx, $20. You can't beat it. So, yeah, I'm going to try, and if I find anything really good at TJ Maxx, I don't go a lot. But like I said, the economy is hitting me hard, as I'm sure everyone else. So if I notice that there's something good there, I'll pick it up, let you guys know. Because I found when I see other people posting about things at TJ Maxx, that's around the time when I find them at my TJ Maxx. So be on the lookout. Pat McGrath is there. I also found a melt palette. So TJ Maxx is getting the goods once again. Check it out. Are you guys a TJ Maxx fan? Have you found some really, really good bargains there? Oh, also, I also got the Kat Von D Good Apple Foundation. $12.99, you guys. TJ Maxx. It's where it's at these days. And I just forgot. I did not put any lip on. Let's just add some sparkle. This is the NYX Butter Gloss Bling, and I have not a clue what the shade is because, oh, it's Big Spender. Let's just throw that on as I'm signing off. You know, this is really pretty though, not gonna lie. Like this a lot. All right. So that is it. I hope that you remember that you are beautiful, you're loved, you're amazing. Do me a favor, you guys. We're getting so close to that magical number. I do need to hit my watch time though. So if you want to do me a favor, maybe watch a couple of my videos all the way through, or just like go do errands or something and let them play. That helped me out so much. I have big crazy dreams for this channel, so I'm hoping one day they can come true. So yeah, I would recommend my channel to someone who you think might enjoy it. Come check out. You guys, I am just like, I mentioned in a video that I filmed a couple before this one, I think it might have been the melt palette I found at TJ Maxx. Like, my PCOS brain fog is so bad right now, and I don't know what to do. Like, I'm having trouble functioning. It's bad. It's bad. But watch that video if you want to hear that story, if you haven't seen it yet or not, because it's getting bad. And if you do have PCOS, what do you do for the brain fog? Because I'm taking all the supplements, but it's just not working. So anyway, yeah, just thank you. I'll quit rambling, and just thank y'all for the support you've shown me in this channel. It means the world to me. And again, remember, you are beautiful, you're loved, you're freaking amazing, and have a wonderful day, night, and evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.